tour has arrived. Well, not really tour. Yeah, this thing's trash. We'll do it after this guy actually puts it down with the rest of the herd. Alright, I don't even know if this thing will start, but guy just dropped it off. And as I said, it's a fucking toilet. Is that ants? That's a fucking bee or a wasp. Please get out of there. Interior-wise, no radio. Jacked up dash. Actually, not dash is alright, to be honest. And the speakers. I don't even know if I could take any. I guess the kick plates are good. This door panel might be decent. That wood trim's fucked. The seats might be able to get sold. I just got this because I wanted the motor. I got it for $650 delivered from Miami. So I don't think that's bad. It's better than going to a salvage yard and pulling one out. At least I know this one operates. Gotta step in that nest. I think it operates. I need to actually get it to work. I'm gonna put it through, or put a battery in it and see how it goes. Unfortunately, I forgot my tripod, so this will be fun. I think the fender I could get rid of. This is bumper jacked. Yeah, bumper's jacked up. Yeah, front bumper's destroyed. So headlights, this fender. I don't know if anyone's gonna want the doors, and doors are just annoying to ship. And that rear bumper is a facelift bumper, so that's somewhat valuable, I guess. Nope, it's cracked. Is this open? What is that? Ugh. Yeah, that's the issue. Biodiesel. So I don't know what this guy was running in it. Well, clearly, biodiesel is all right. Vegetable oil is not. There's this weird strap that's holding down the engine, and every single injector hole is filled with diesel. Awesome. This isn't connected. So I think I'm gonna not deal with this today because I don't know. I got other things to do. And all the PCV stuff is broken off. Well, let me see if the starter works at least. Ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, today's the day. God, I don't want to do this, but yeah, it's like 89 degrees, feels like 95 degrees, and I gotta pull this engine out of this car. Oh, that's fun. Don't have my tripod, so it's gonna be clips. And let's begin. I'm gonna cut this thing up, to be honest. I'm gonna go underneath the bottom, cut the transmission or the drive shaft off, and see what little I can do to just yank this thing out, because God, the sun's coming out again. Blast you. Worst time to be out, it's like 1 o'clock. So remember, guys, we're sun protection. Don't be like me. All right, let's start. So, got most of the stuff already disconnected. Now I'm just gonna cut the supports out, cut the drive shaft out, and take the bolts off, cut the exhaust off. Should be good to pull it out. There's like some wasp mud thing nest in there. I took it out the first time and threw it over there, but yeah, I think it was still active because a wasp came back and seemed to keep going back in and out of there. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, unfortunately the Kubota doesn't have enough power or range of motion to lift the motor up, so I think I'm just gonna cut the cross member out and just drag the whole thing out. It's pretty good at dragging, but I can't lift much, which kind of sucks. Or maybe I could just lower the car. I can't lower the car. I don't have a jack here. Damn. All right, whatever. I'll figure something out. want something?
I would put a tire where the transmission's gonna fall, so it doesn't like that. No, the rim. Like put that one tire over there. Grab that. That way it doesn't hit right there to your left. Yeah. Just lay it underneath it. Just right in front of the other one. Yeah. There you go. Perfect.
Oh shit, hold on. I forgot to take the power steering line off. I'm just gonna cut it.
What'd you forget to take off?
Power steering line still connected to the power steering pump. I was like, wait, why the hell is it pulling the whole goddamn car? The car's off the jack stands.
Well, yeah. It's okay. We have a jack and it's on the tires. It's fine.
All right.
I mean, it has wheels on it. It doesn't matter.
Sure. Did a little three-wheel in action a little while ago.
Here, I'll there you go. Oh wow! Oh God! It's gonna squirt all over me. Hey, no, I might need that power steering pump.
The pump or the line?
Yeah, but don't cut it. Just cut. All right, I guess.
So where to cut then?
I don't know.
Jesus Christ, this blade must be dull as hell now. It broke in the spot that I was cutting before.
It just broke from the vibration. Okay.
This.
Watch yourself. I don't know how much tension is on. You know what I mean? Like.
Yeah, well, that still needs to get disconnected too. So.
Okay.
I'm gonna cut it.
Okay.
It's a speedo line, I think. There's like a 10mm bolt. I probably should just. Fuck it. It's not working at all.
Do you have
Not enough tension. Maybe you should pull it out more, and then I'll just cut it while you're pulling it out. Great success, people. Kind of, I hope. Not really.
like such clowns?
Popped off. Did you want to put it on the tire over there? All right.
Where do you want to put it?
I guess right there for now, behind this, or is that all right?
Get a tire on it. That way I know where to put it.
All right, got it out, and got to disconnect all this nonsense now and get it back to my house.